So I have to confess, I've been very, very, very guilty recently. So this week we are going to reset and eat healthy. So come eat healthy with me. Let's go! Okay, so step one of eating healthy this week is actually working on getting my protein intake up. I wanted to share with you guys the protein I drink because it's actually this. It's called matcha protein. So matcha and chai with protein, exactly as the name implies. And as you can see, mine is almost out. I have the last dregs in here. And it's actually in collaboration with this brand called EUME and the EmiEatsTokyo, which I think a lot of people do know. So it's like this brand that sells a lot of matcha and has a lot of little matcha cafes. And it's the only protein that I've ever repurchased. And it's like the only one I can drink because I'm really bad with protein. So I found out that they actually sell a hojicha version of their matcha protein. So I'm gonna try this time. It's a whey protein. It tastes okay, and as long as I can get my protein intake up, that's fine. So you take about 3 tablespoons of this and 150 ml of some sort of milk or whatnot. And I usually like to use soy milk with this to get that extra boost of protein. In drinking this, I will get how much protein? Hold on. 1 serving is, I love how they don't even actually write it out clearly on the package. I'm searching for it. Oh, it actually says it's quite low. Only 11 grams of protein. This one's 11 grams of protein per serving, and this one, the matcha one, is actually even less. It's 8 grams. That's crazy. That's super low, but oh well. Anyway, let's finish up the matcha one actually, and then I will try the new one later. These are from some old protein shakers that I had, and I like that it kind of helps dissolve better, so I kind of held onto them even though I don't have the shaker itself anymore, and I just like to stick it into this. I guess my soy milk was also on its last dregs, so we're gonna mix soy milk with regular milk, which is fine. It's gonna be like a matcha latte. Okay, cheers. Oh my god, you guys. Real milk tastes so much better than soy milk. I know, you don't even need to say it out loud, but it's been so a while since I've had this with actual milk. So good. Whew. Okay, this week we're gonna do some shopping, a lot of grocery shopping, maybe even go to Costco, and just overall eat healthy. Let's go! Did you know you could grow your own edamame? I had no idea, so. I actually picked this up at Donki. I was looking for rosemary, and for some reason, they only had edamame. It comes with a planter and dirt and all. And these are the tiny edamames. Look at that. So cute.これ
じゃないの？
あ、めっちゃ安いじゃん。いいじゃん。
前には食べ始めたいんですよね。
同じこと思います。これもいっちゃうよ。
いただきます。
Good morning. I'm eating breakfast. Today's Greek yogurt and fruit and muesli with chia seed. And this is bagel with cream cheese and everything but the bagel. And black coffee. I've been attempting to do some moderate intermittent fasting, so I'm actually eating right now at 10 a.m. Lunch time. There's a lot of background noise because I'm boiling water for lunch. And today we're making, because I had a late breakfast and it's only 12 right now, I'm gonna make rice paper rolls. No, that's not it. Spring rolls. A ton of rice paper from many Costco's ago that need to be used up. And we have fresh kale. This is for later. Give it a nice massage because it's worked very hard. Just kidding. I want to soften up the kale a little bit, so that's why I've given it a massage. Then we will assemble. I'm eating this next while I'm waiting for this to cook. This is my Thai mochigome. いただきます。 ugliest mango sticky rice you've ever seen. Guaranteed. Itadakimasu. So good. The pinch, not even a pinch, the generous dose of flaky sea salt that you add to the coconut mixture really pulls it all together. Atoは遊び.
ちなみに受付だった人のことに。お？じゃあ1個で500円じゃん。
でもめちゃめちゃ美味しいよ。
まず塩でね、 なんで下げられちゃったの？
千葉県の教育委員会6月からなどの疑いで逮捕されました。注目の中しました。
綺麗。